diseases away. Today we shall discuss about non-pathogenic diseases, and then we shall learn about some diseases which are seen in domestic animals, and finally we shall learn about some diseases in plants. First we shall discuss about non-pathogenic diseases. So in this chapter we discussed about various types of diseases which is caused by various types of pathogens, and we know that virus, bacteria, fungus and some special type of worms, all these are pathogens. Pathogens means those microorganisms which cause diseases. Does the diseases are caused only by the presence of pathogens? No, there are some other diseases which are caused not by the presence of some pathogens but because of some other reasons. So such type of diseases are known as non-pathogenic diseases. First we shall discuss about genetic diseases. So genetic diseases are the diseases which are caused by any defect in the gene. So some examples for genetic diseases include hemophilia, then sickle cell anemia. All these are genetic diseases or the diseases which are caused by defect in the gene. So first let us learn about hemophilia. So hemophilia is a genetic disease and we know that the blood clots with the help of a protein which is present in our plasma. We already studied this in 9th standard. So which is that protein? Yes, fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is a protein which is present in the plasma of our blood that helps in the clotting of blood. So in hemophilia, what happens is there will be a defect to the gene which helps in the synthesis of this protein fibrinogen. If there is defect to the gene which is associated with the production of fibrinogen, what happens? There will be problem in the production of fibrinogen, and this results in excessive bleeding even for a minor or even for a small wound. So this leads to hemophilia. Then what about the treatment of hemophilia? There is no any solution for complete cure of hemophilia, but temporarily we can find a solution for hemophilia by injecting the deficient protein. Now we shall discuss about the next genetic disease, and that is sickle cell anemia. So sickle cell anemia is caused because of a change in the structure of hemoglobin. We know that hemoglobin is a pigment which gives red color to the blood. Then what happens to hemoglobin? Because of some deformities in the genes, what happens is there will be some problems in the arrangement of amino acids of the hemoglobin. So this hemoglobin is made up of amino acids because of the arrangement of amino acids. And if there is a deformity in the gene, what happens is there will be a problem in the sequencing of the amino acids of the hemoglobin, and this results in the deformity of the structure of hemoglobin, and as a result the hemoglobin will not be able to carry the oxygen properly, or the oxygen carrying capacity of the red blood cells reduces. Because of the change in the structure of hemoglobin, what happens is the structure of red blood cells or RBC also changes into a sickle shape. So in this picture you can see the normal shape of a red blood cell and a sickle shaped red blood cell. And because of this shape, what happens is it will not be able to carry oxygen properly, and also this sickle shaped RBCs get collected in the particular area of blood vessels, and this creates a block. So these are the problems associated with the people who are suffering from sickle cell anemia. Now we shall discuss about cancer. So we know that our body is made up of cells, and also there is cell division in our body, and our body have a controlling system to limit the division of cells. So if there is no any limit, what happens? Will grow just like plants and trees, isn't it? So there is a controlling system in our body to limit the cell division. But if this controlling system fails, what happens is our normal cells get converted into cancerous cells, and this leads to cancer. So this cancerous cells may get spread to other tissues, and this condition become complicated. And the reasons for cancer include, we know that some environmental conditions may lead to cancer. Then smoking is one of the major reason for cancer. Then some other reasons include radiations. Then some viruses and also hereditary factors can lead to cancer. And normally in this present situation, the cancer is treated by chemotherapy, then radiation therapy, then surgery, by all these methods. But we know that it will become complicated if the cancerous cells spread to other tissues through blood and lymph. So it is more easier to diagnose the disease earlier. It is a best solution for curing the disease. If we diagnose the cancer earlier, we have a hope to cure the problem, and we know that prevention is better than cure. Now we shall discuss about lifestyle diseases. So lifestyle diseases are caused because of bad lifestyle activities such as changes in food habits, then lack of proper exercise, then consumption of drug, alcohol, then smoking. All these bad habits may lead to lifestyle diseases. So which are the lifestyle diseases? So here are some lifestyle diseases which include diabetes, fatty liver, stroke, hypertension, heart attack. So what is diabetes? We know that diabetes is caused by the deficiency of insulin, or the deficiency in the production of insulin. Then the next one is fatty liver. Fatty liver is caused by the deposition of fat in the liver. Then the next one is stroke. Stroke is caused by the rupturing of blood vessel in the brain, or stroke may cause by the block in the flow of blood. Then the next one is hypertension, and we know that what is hypertension. Hypertension is caused by the reduction in the diameter of artery, or the walls of artery, because of the deposition of fat. Then the last one is heart attack. We know that heart attack is caused by the block in the flow of blood to the heart.
Now we shall discuss about some animal diseases. Not only human beings, but animals are also affected by diseases. For example, anthrax is a disease which is seen in animals, which is caused by bacteria. Then inflammation of udder, which is also caused by bacteria. Also, there are several foot and mouth diseases which is caused by virus in animals. Now we shall discuss about some plant diseases. Plants are also affected by various diseases. Plant diseases which is caused by bacteria include blight disease in paddy, wilt disease in brinjal, etc. Some diseases in plants which is caused by virus include mosaic disease in peas and tapioca, bunchy top of banana, etc. Then some fungal diseases associated with plants include quick wilt in pepper, budroot of coconut, etc.